All right. So let's get started with meal prepping. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate a way that you would be getting into meal prepping where you're just a beginner. Maybe you eat out a lot, and really if you ate any meals at home, that would be progress. And that is why I've named level 1 new game, because at any point anyone can make sustainable change, and we need to celebrate any progress towards that, okay? So, number 1, we're going to choose one new recipe. So let's go over to the cookbook over here, and let's take a look. We got turmeric poached egg. Yeah, let's do that. So it serves 2. And we have our new recipe, and I jumped ahead. Next one, note the serving size, and like I just said, it serves 2. So great. Now the next is to fill it into our food calendar. So right down here, let's say it's Sunday right now, and we're going to be cooking our breakfast on Monday, and we're going to put turmeric, poached eggs, great. And then let's go back up here. We've done those steps now. And the next thing there is to do is to go back to our recipe here, and we want to enter it into MyFitnessPal. So if you take a look at the bottom right hand corner here, we've got this barcode. And so I'm going to take my phone, and I'm going to press add food, barcode, let that open up, then scan, and then there it is. So just so that we have that for later, we're going to save that as a meal. Save. Great. So now that's all saved and scanned into MyFitnessPal for later use. We can check that off. Now we've got to check to see what we already have. So let's go back to our recipe. All right, so pine nuts, fresh spinach, tomatoes, olive oil. Okay, cool. So now we've checked to see what items we have, and then we get to copy all of the ingredients that are here that we don't have into the shopping list. So I'm not going to input all of that because you don't want to watch me do that, but you get the point. And then, oops, we've finished that. And then all that there is left to do is go shopping and then cook the meal. And then over time, you'll find those recipes that really work well. And then you can add those to your familiar recipes. And before long, it'll feel effortless. You'll find those recipes that work well for you, and then you'll be able to save on the calories and save on the nutrition, because, I mean, if you eat out, they're not making it for you to be healthy. Often there's going to be a whole bunch of extra added calories. So if we want sustainable change, we want to have control of those calories. And we can eat yummy, delicious food at home, and often we're going to save on a ton of calories while we're at it. So hope this is helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.